Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by showing the ruler so you can work visually. Go to View and toggle Ruler. Once visible, make sure you are in print layout because the ruler matches printed margins and tabs there, and set zoom to 100% so measurements are true. You should also display the vertical ruler if you need top/bottom control. These steps get you from blank screen to a measurement-ready canvas. Once done, you're ready to move into adjusting margins, indents, and tabs precisely. You'll now manipulate the horizontal ruler to control paragraph layout. Click and drag the left and right margin markers to redefine page space, and use the small top triangle for first line indent and the bottom triangle for hanging indents. The rectangle moves the entire left indent. Once positioned, release and inspect the paragraph. Make sure to apply to selected text or the whole style if repeating. If you need precision, hold Alt while dragging for finer increments. This helps you align text and tabs perfectly. You finish by placing and refining tab stops for exact alignment. Click on the ruler to add a tab, then drag it to the desired position. Double-click any tab to choose left, center, right, or decimal alignment so numbers and text align correctly. Once satisfied, make sure styles are updated if you want consistency. If something goes wrong, open the tabs dialog from paragraph to set precise values and clear misbehaving stops. This usually fixes alignment errors and returns the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.